Welcome back, my dear students of class 9th. My dear students, today's session is to solve the MCQs. MCQs means multi-choice questions. So, dear students, let us start the multi-choice questions that has been given to in your book, and that we are going to solve it. My dear students, question number 1, that is, which of the following tissue has dead cells? It means the options are parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma, and epithelial tissue. So, dear students, the answer will be sclerenchyma. So, let us have a tick on the sclerenchyma. This one. So, your answer will be the sclerenchyma. Dear student, come to the next question, that is, girth of the stem increases due to the apical meristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristem, or vertical meristem. So girth means that is the width. Width means stem की चौड़ाई, तने की चौड़ाई. So you can answer this question by answering the choice of the lateral meristematic tissue. So answer this. This will be the answer. Lateral meristematic tissue provide the girth to the stem, and stem will be strong due to the development of the lateral meristematic tissue. Dear student, next question, that is, a person met with an accident in which the two long bones of his hand were dislocated. Which among the following may be possible reason? Tendons break, ligament break of the skeletal muscles, and areolar tissue break. So, dear students, answering this question, you have to consider the reason that which material, which type of tissue is responsible for joining the two bones. So, two long bones get joined with the help of the tendons. So, these answer will be the tendon. So let it answer tendon. This is the tendon. Tendon will be breaked. Dear student, come to the other question, that is, while doing work and running, you move your organs like hands, legs, etc. Which among the following is correct? Smooth muscle contract and pull the ligament to move the bones. It will not be answer. Smooth muscles contract and pull the tendons to move the bones. It will be also not answer. Skeletal muscle contract and pull the ligament to move the bones. So, dear students, which will be responsible for the joining these bone and muscles, that you will get the answer from your book, and that answer will be the joint. Joint means, see this is the bones, skeletal muscles, and these tendons, it is dense, strong, and fibrous. Strong fibrous connective tissue, which is thick collagen fiber matrix. It is cord-like structure. It connects the muscle to bones. So, dear students, in this answer, let it do that. This, let it rectify means muscle to bone. So, muscle to bone bone to bone, that will be connected by the ligament 1. This will be the answer, ligament 1. And answer of this question will be the skeletal muscle contract and pull the ligament to move the bones. So this will be the answer. This will be third option will be the answer. Answer C. It will be the answer. Dear student, come to next, and that is the which muscles act involuntarily. Involuntarily means the muscles which cannot be controlled by human itself. So the answer will be striated muscles, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and skeletal muscles. And you will choose a pair of answer, that is 1 and 2. B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, and D 1 and 4. So my dear student, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are controlled involuntarily. So answer will be the second and third. So this will be the answer. Answer B will be the answer of this question. So dear students, as far as tissue is concerned, you will see so many questions are there, and in these questions, let it do. Now come to another question, and that is which is not the function of epidermis? Protection and adverse condition, protection from adverse condition, gaseous exchange, conduction of water, and transpiration. So epidermal layer does not perform the process of transpiration. Actually, the process of transpiration is found only in the plant. So let it take transpiration. Dear students, select the incorrect statement. Blood has matrix containing proteins, salt, and hormones. 2 bones are connected with the ligaments. Tendons are non-fibrous tissue and fragile. Cartilage is a form of connective tissue. So my dear students, this C, the answer C, that will be the incorrect. This one will be incorrect. That tendons are non-fibrous tissue and fragile. Dear student, next question, that is cartilage is not found in nose, ear, kidney. So your answer will be the kidney. Let it do. This will be the answer, that kidney does not have the cartilages. Bone matrix is rich in fluorine and calcium and phosphorus, calcium and potassium, phosphorus and potassium. So your answer will be the calcium and phosphorus. These 2 ingredients are rich in the bone matrix. Dear student, next question, that is the contractile protein are found in the bones, blood, muscles. So your answer will be the muscles. Contractile proteins. The proteins are contractile in nature and they are found in the muscles. Dear student, come to the next question, that is the nervous tissue is not found in answer brain, spinal cord, tendons, and next is the nerves. So your answer will be the tendons. Tendons will be the answer. So nervous tissue does not found in the tendons. Next is that is the nerve cell does not contain axon, nerve ending, tendons and dendrites. So again answer will be the tendons. Tendons is not found in the nerve cell. Dear students, come to the next question, that is the muscular tissue which function throughout the life continuously with again come to the question number that is the muscular tissue which function throughout the life continuously without any break. That muscular tissue is the cardiac muscles. That will be the cardiac muscle. So answer will be the cardiac muscle. Which of the following cells is found in the cartilaginous tissue of the body? So, which of the following cells is found in the cartilaginous tissue of the body? Mast cell, osteocytes, chondrocytes, basophils. So, osteocells are found in the bones and chondrocytes are found in the cartilage. So, this will be the answer. So, my dear students, these are some questions that you are exercising here, and accordingly you have to take the assignment for the solving more questions like this 16, 17, 18, 19 and this 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So these are the 30 questions are there. So I have given the guideline. Some more questions are also there, that is 31, 32 and 33. So you have to complete the assignment for solving these questions. Question number 14, 15 onward. So 15 to 33 that you will do in your exercise book. So my dear student, thank you very much for watching this video. Like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.